And then I said, that's not a duck, that's my hand. As far back as we can remember, people love to be entertained. And theater was just one of those many outlets.
Theater was the resource for entertainment and knowledge.
But now, with the evolution of the internet, theater is practically unknown. Hey, Spencer, you want to go to the theater and watch Hamlet?
What's theater? People still search for entertainment. Just with the help of the internet now, instead of the theater, it has turned to YouTube.
So the creators of YouTube had a really hard time sending videos back and forth. Dude, I can't find purple penguins anywhere.
I wish there was a thing called YouTube.
Yeah.
Such a good idea.
So before YouTube, it was really hard to share videos. YouTube made it possible to share videos by making a database where all videos could fit inside, and you can look them up really easily instead of going to individual pages. YouTube colonized video sharing by bringing all the videos together in one database. And then YouTube was alive. Do, 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 do.